Including myself, the Deal Hunters team have over 100 years combined selling on e-commerce platforms. With over 20 years experience as well, we have seen it all. And that is why in today's video, we're able to tell you that there is only 2 essential tips that you need to know in order to run a successful Amazon FBA business. Welcome back everyone to Deal Hunters. I hope of course you're all well. Listen, first off, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, help us grow the channel. If you're interested in Amazon FBA videos, this is the place for you. There's no BS, it's just straight up real. I started my journey, one of the last ones of the Deal Hunters crew to start their journey. And I can tell you, having an Amazon FBA business selling over £100,000 a year is outstanding, especially when I consider that my business is a side hustle. This isn't a full-time job for me. I do this as a side hustle because I have my fingers in other pies. Amazon FBA works. This video is aimed at people that are buying and reselling brands on Amazon's marketplace. So if you're interested in private label, this is not the video for you. This is purely focused on Amazon FBA. With Amazon FBA, you buy products from the biggest brands across the world. You get permission to sell them on Amazon. You ship in the boxes to Amazon and they deal with all the customer shipping, returns, queries, and all of that. And that is why the misconception of customer service really matters. Well, it does really matter, but you're actually paying another company to do that. You're paying Amazon effectively. Don't look at it as you work for Amazon. Look at it as you're paying money to have Amazon services, and the service that they provide is fast delivery, dealing with returns. Now, there is issues with that they could do better. You know, they do hand out refunds quite often, a little too easily for my liking, but that aside, you're paying for them to deal with all that. So the customer service experience very rarely falls on you. Yes, you'll get the odd message asking something, but generally speaking, 1 out of 1,000 items you might get some sort of customer dealing with you. Generally speaking, it's all Amazon. So the whole customers are always right, customer service, it's not really applicable in my opinion for Amazon FBA as long as you're doing these 2 top tips right. The first top tip is Infantry. We're assuming you're set up, you know the processes. The key thing here to run a successful Amazon FBA business is keeping on top of your inventory levels. If you're on a buy box, to keep that buy box, Amazon favors people that have plenty of inventory, especially if you're able to replenish it. If they can see that you're constantly monitoring and replenishing it, Amazon will reward you for that. And usually that means keeping you on the buy box. Even if someone's undercutting you, you can still potentially hold that buy box because they believe that you're a good seller. Now, if you go into your Sellerboard or equivalent, we would promote Sellerboard because it's cheaper than Seller Toolkit and it offers you the exact same, and it's just a no-brainer really. It's all about being efficient with your money. This is a great service, and if you go down to Infantry and then zoom in on Planner, what this actually does, it brings up all your products and it will tell you here in days of stock left, 1 days until next order, -44. And if we scroll right down, and I'm obviously hiding my products, but if you scroll right down, you can see here the FBA stock is sitting at 5 units with 1 in reserve, that you have a 120 days left of stock, and it's advising you that don't need to order anything until another 75 days comes. Now, you do have to take this with a pinch of salt. You will know products, potentially, if you're selling a lot of toys, you know Christmas is going to ramp up. It can only take you so far. It's all based on averages. But this is a great tool to allow you to filter through and see exactly when you need to order. So that is a fantastic feature, and you can get help with this type of thing on Amazon's background office. But honestly, Sellerboard, without a shadow of a doubt, is your best inventory, best valued inventory manager that there is. The links are down below if you're interested. Anyone that uses any of our affiliate links, they are affiliate links. We get a bit of commission, but you get money off. That's the main thing. You will actually get 2 weeks free to our deal sheet. So that's worth considering. But that's the first one, managing your stock. And that might mean going to a wholesaler, getting your orders well placed, and understanding what items you're selling out and how to place it, and keeping a spreadsheet yourself using the likes of Sellerboard, whatever it may be. Keep on top of the inventory, and it doesn't necessarily even have to be wholesalers. It could be a place, a store that you know you can replenish. Perhaps it's a bundle that you know you can get the prices you need to keep on top of it. Just manage your inventory well, and trust me, your Amazon FBA business will thrive. Number 2 is again to do with your products. There's really not much else to do with Amazon FBA where you're buying products and reselling them. So the key thing is the product. You got to be sure of fair pricing. Now, don't get me wrong, we all buy things at a discount and we resell it. i.e. you know you can get this product cheaper and you're selling it to make a profit. So we're all in the business of selling products that are overpriced than what we paid. That's the nature of the beast. It's a tale as old as time. Buy low, sell high. Don't be that guy who is trying to sell something that's really worth about a tenner and you're trying to make 30 quid on it. When you're looking at the charts, it might seem that you can command that type of price, and perhaps you can command that type of price, but what you run the risk of is someone getting this thing and looking at it and going, Christ, 30 quid for this? This is rubbish. Return. Then you'll find yourself stuck with loads of returns. And I made that mistake in the early days. You can discover that there's not many sellers on something and you think, oh, I'll just charge this will be good, or the price was at this stage, I'll try it, and you get a sale. Trust me, if someone feels like they've been ripped off, they will return. Now obviously you can do this manually. You can go on Amazon and manually go through and change all your prices, but trust me, if you're taking this serious, this should almost be a tip in itself. Invest in software. Christ, you're starting a business with probably the lowest entry point. Invest 30, 40, 50 quid a month in software that is essential. Sellerboard's the best value, as we talked about, but the other one you've got to really consider is software that will reprice for you. Trust me, this pays for itself. One of our users signed up using the link down below to Profit Protector Pro as a test. They got the free test. They got their 2 weeks free deal hunters, and they haven't looked back. Look at this, £2,766 all-time Profit Protector boost. 30 days boost is 342, and it says right here, if you read the box, you have made £616 more using Profit Protector Pro than you would have without it. That is more than covered the subscription for years. Profit Protector Pro is an absolute essential tool. Repricing is an essential tool. Not only does it make you more money, it actually saves you a ridiculous amount of time. So how does it work? Well, it's very simple. Say this product here, you put in your minimum price. So say the average price is usually £10. You've seen maximum being £15. What you can do here is set your minimum price to £10. So this will know it will never go below, it will never sell for below £10 with a maximum price of 15, meaning depending on the strategy, and these are all different strategies, we wouldn't possibly go through every one of them, that's maybe for a different video, but you can go through all these different strategies and there is help and tells you what to do. I prefer a super aggressive dominator if I have a lot of stock and I really just want to steal that buy box and get sales. The other one is if you're not many competitors, you're happy enough with your pricing, you maybe command one of these ones, dynamic or hybrid profit, which is a bit of a mix. It tries to focus more on the profit maximizer and stuff. These are the ones that you choose, and based on that, it'll fluctuate between your minimum and maximum price, and always try to achieve you whatever your settings are. If it's sales, it'll get you sales. If it's price, it'll get you price. You put that in and you hit repricing, and then this will turn on the repricing feature. That's it. Once you've worked out your minimum and your maximum price and your strategy, you don't need to worry about that. This will automatically sell you for it. That means you effectively go on autopilot, and that's the aim for me and my Amazon business, is to have a complementary side hustle that does all the hard work for me. Well, let's just bring up this product because there's another one that complements this, and it's BuyBot Pro. BuyBot Pro and Profit Protector Pro are both speaking to each other, and they do have other services, Scoofy, for example, but let's just not complicate it. You can put your details in automatically to Profit Protector Pro from BuyBot Pro. So if I put in my figures and it spits out a lovely figure and I know I'm buying it, I can just scroll down here, add it automatically to Profit Protector Pro, save in Profit Protector Pro, and it's done. I've analyzed it once, I've worked out this is a good deal, I've submitted it straight into Profit Protector Pro, and it will work on the minimum to the highest, getting me the best deals based on my strategy as possible. But, and again, I want to emphasize this, if you scroll down, you look at the charts, if you went to the all time, and for example, this product, as you can see here, once upon a time, looks to have been a buy box at £78. Ludicrous, never going to sell. Don't ever think about selling it for £78. Just because the buy box was there once does not mean you're going to get it. And if you were to somehow get it, trust me, this person gets this bit of chocolate for £78. They're going to return it. Questionable why they ever bought it in the first place, but if they were, they're going to return it. So just because you maybe can command a higher price, don't. Be fair in your pricing, and trust me, the products will sell well. This little Profit Protector Pro will do all the hard work for you, and that is it. You buy products low, you sell them. Keep on top of your inventory. Don't rip people off. Make nice profits, and you will be fine. Amazon take care of everything else. That is it. Don't overcomplicate Amazon FBA. It is really, really simple. Buy low, sell high. Deal with any issues that come up there and then, but don't forget, you're paying Amazon. You don't work for Amazon. You tell Amazon. And that is the video. I hope you found that one informative. Please like and subscribe if you have. Comment down below if you're interested in any types of videos or anything like that. We are running a £5 trial of our services if you want to go onto our website and click that. If you click on any of the links for Profit Protector Pro, BuyBot Pro, or Sellerboard, or any of the other links that we have on our website, you will get access 2 weeks free to our deal sheet, and that adds on each time. So if you click 4 of our links, you will get 2 months worth free of our deal sheets. No better deals out there for any of these softwares, I guarantee you. So don't even bother looking around. If you're interested, start it now. Click the link. Get on the Amazon FBA, whether it be a side hustle or a full-time job, you can do it all with Amazon FBA. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget, you can also join our free Discord. The links are down below. Peace.